Brings us to our talk of the tape, the road ahead for stocks and all that might be riding on the mega caps, especially now. Let's ask the star Wedbush analyst Dan Ives. He's with me here at Post 9. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Man, I mean, all the stuff going on in the market, and then, oh yeah, Apple. It's only the biggest stock in the market reporting. What do you expect?
I think, look, it's the hearts and lungs of tech. And I think ultimately what we've seen in Asia, I think an actual uptick in China, which is really the key to the Apple story here in terms of iPhone demand. And it's not roses and rainbows, but I'm expecting actually some positives in terms of services and uptick there. And overall, iPhone demand continues to be rock of Gibraltar because of that golden install base.
It's expected down 4% iPhone sales, though, right? Let's not gloss over some of the issues that exist, right? They're expected to report a decline in sales for the second straight quarter, okay? It would only be the third time in a decade that Apple has posted back-to-back quarters of falling revenue. So this isn't all sunshine and rainbows by any stretch of the imagination.
No doubt. Now, you have a 500 bip headwind in terms of currency, which is obviously hurting the headline. But I think in terms of that China number, the street's really front and center. Can you start to see growth in China? And also what's important is margins and free cash flow. Margins have actually been up in terms of gross margins. And I think it just shows Cook is navigating Apple through the storm. And ultimately, I believe, especially in China going into iPhone 15, you're actually going to have a slightly positive outlook with some caution going into June.
You nervous at all that the stock is up near 30% going into this print?
Look, I still continue to believe many have hated the ultimate, from an institutional perspective in terms of this rally. I think many sort of underown Apple in terms of this print.
You really think people underown Apple?
I do. I mean, I can tell you from my conversation, I think maybe retail has participated. From institutionally speaking, this year, many have bet against it, waiting for the next shoe to drop. And look, this is the Kentucky Derby of tech earnings season, and I'm expecting positives that we see after the bell.
Yeah, but I mean, you've already had a lot of the mega caps report. If you want to use the analogy of the Kentucky Derby, not every horse wins.
Sure.
Right? This one is, arguably more exposed to the consumer than some of the others, which are more, enterprise driven. This, obviously you have the services business too. How do you think about all of that?
Well, I think in the services, in terms of App Store, we've seen an uptick, which is important because I think key to the sum of the parts, we think services worth 1.2 to 1.3 trillion is an uptick on services. And then it comes down to, it's that golden install base. You got 2 billion iPhones. I believe ultimately about 25% of those, based on our estimates, have not upgraded. And I think that ultimately is really the key as you go into this next cycle.
Why isn't the valuation at 27 times forward too rich? Because that's what I hear from people who don't own the stock.
Sure.
They say the valuation's too rich.
And it makes sense, I think, at superficial value. I've always viewed it some of the parts. You got to look at the services business and ultimately what the hardware business is worth. And I think the important thing here on the sum of the parts, this is north of a $3 trillion market cap. I also think that's important on the margin side. They're owning more and more of their ecosystem. They're being Intel at their own game. That's given Cook and Cupertino the margin leverage.
Well, you mentioned chips. You're telling me that what Qualcomm delivered didn't make you nervous? Because if anything, they suggest that the handset slowdown is maybe not over.
Yeah, and
that doesn't move you at all?
No doubt some caution. We've seen similar caution coming out of Asia in terms of our checks. But I think what's really happening here is that Apple's gaining share in China from the Android. I think we have about 300 bips of market share. And that's why, despite the caution, despite the nervousness, I think it's a flex the muscles moment for Cook and Cupertino.
I'll tell you what, the other thing before we broaden this conversation out is China, I feel like, is more of a question mark today than it was. Most were assuming, China's reopened, everything's great. Everything's roses over there. Then Estee Lauder is like, okay, well, we're not seeing the amount of retail travel that we thought. Now, that's obviously different from inside in China, but you've seen some other anecdotal evidence, too, that maybe it's not like the doors just swung open and everybody rushed in.
Yeah, and I'm not expecting the whole champagne roses, but I
know,
do.
But you paint a very optimistic picture, and China is a key part of your thesis today.
And to China, you have 150 million iPhones that are in a window of an upgrade opportunity. And I think it goes back to how they've been the rock of Gibraltar in tech and why the stock's doing what it's doing. It's because of that install base. They've had 100 million new iPhone users the last 15 months.